Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on May 4th, 2018, 17 of hour, 07 of minute, and 30 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can you upgrade the processor on a laptop? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can you upgrade the processor on a laptop. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can you upgrade the processor on a laptop. The motherboard chipset has to know what to do with that new CPU. It is possible to upgrade the CPU on some laptops, but you'll need to hunt down a specific mobile processor for it. Laptops are far more picky than desktop PCs about such upgrades. Last update, November 23, 2017. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time.
Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.